I thought you were talking about 1900.
360s now. Hemmings, yeah, I've did a few of them since I've been here.
Yeah, you got all these off the cover. They attached to the head. Oh, you good to go. Let me go get that little secret tool. Take that off. But, like, tap it off with a, you know what I'm saying. Just tap it off because it's held on by that pin. Let me go get my tool. A secret tool nobody needs to know about. All right, my man called me over there. I want to help taking that head off. Now, the good news is bank 2. All right? That ain't even good news. I mean, I'll take either side off without taking the cover off. But I don't like training like that, guys. You should never train shortcuts, okay? You should train the proper way and let the person figure out what's the better short way for them to do it. All right? Hey, what kind of little ratchet you have?
40.
Now to fit this little bit. Mine's there's no magnetic. All right, we about to get this head out. So, we got the valve train tool apart. This is the little sucker right here we're going out there. That's why you don't need it. You can't have you're dealing with space. Now, to avoid this, simply take the cover off. But yeah, JT the car guy, I don't know about all that. Okay. Yeah. If that'll fit in there. See, we had to cut that. Hey, hell yeah.
What'd you say? Yeah, whatever.
That just might do it. Got a bunch of cord? I mean, you ain't. I don't do it, but I don't want you to. I don't want you to be like scared. You can let this chain go, and it's not gonna fall out of time. But a lot of people go into full panic mode. See how that damn tension is extended? Mm-hmm. That's why you're supposed to lock that sucker down. You know, or push it back and lock it down. But we can do that afterwards. Mm-hmm. Right. Let me check something right quick.
The ones that back out.
That one on that. Ah, look. Mm-hmm. You're not supposed to be able to turn it. You about to replace the head anyway, right? Ah, this sucker would have gave you some problems. You definitely ain't supposed to be able to take it off by hand. Yeah, all them rock arms, get the rock arms out of there. Because you're going to make them mad. You don't need a wrench. Turn that Hicks. Yeah, those what you call it. Either tap it or we were using those cams, right? Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Behind right here, right?
No, not on the, not on the, not that. That's the tone wheel. Yeah. You could have stuck a wrench on that Hicks. Damn rock arms out of here, cause they gonna spill all over the place. Good time to check them mugs too. They damn sure make it cheap. Oh, you got new rock arms? Oh, that's what's up. I got all those on now. Yeah, it's time to fight with this boat. It's the only thing holding it onto the head. The little attachment we got right here. Mm-hmm. That's why you don't have much space. And make sure that thing ain't gonna fall out. I don't know how strong that magnet is. You don't want it to fall down in that cover. That's the hardest part of the whole. Ooh, it cracked loose. Ah. Head bolts time. Yeah, this ain't gonna. Yeah, it ain't gonna come all the way out. So just leave it. Yep. It's about that time. Get them head bolts out, and that head should be ready to go. We got all these out. Oh yeah, it's been a minute for me too, but some things you never forget. Y'all hold tight. Oh, dude. Ooh, what kind of rinky-dink impact is that? You need an Icon Harbor Freight impact?
I'm starting that shit.
God, these suckers ain't never been off. I know there ain't no snap-on impact, is it? A snap-on? Oh, do we need to break out the Harbor Freight Icon? Don't let this be another Harbor Freight Icon. We need to show snap-on up again. What y'all think out there in YouTube land? Y'all remember we showed up snap-on a while back. Y'all want to do it again? This is a snap-on impact. Do I need to go get my Icon Okay, we ain't gonna do that today. We'll say that for a different video. Y'all stay tuned.
You seen me?
Is this one side?
Yeah, just doing bank 2.
Out the way, out the way. Damn.
Yeah, you need a. Oh, that is tight. Ooh, the snap on didn't break. Oh my goodness.
right?
Did you ever get your other one replaced? We broke.
I gotta send email.
Oh, you gotta mail it in.
Well, no, they let you keep it, but I
Oh,
gotta email a picture of it being broke.
Damn.
And they gonna send me.
I know that's snap on. I thought we were gonna have to go get the
Yeah, this is one
icon.
I didn't let y'all use.
Oh, why because it's ratchet and it's swivel.
Yeah, I got the Mecca one I didn't let y'all use.
Oh, you know what we was doing?
Oh, hell yeah.
Yeah, they don't use a swivel to break that loose. Well, Icon don't care. They don't care if it's
Snap
swivel or
on
not.
versus I'm afraid. Hey, make sure you put that in.
Ooh, I didn't hear a snap. I thought you rounded that sucker.
Time, go back and forth a little bit, let it rock.
Rock the
Just go
crater.
full.
Get this one already?
Yeah, see. But when you lift up, go slow because again, you're gonna come straight up and start tilting. Cause we gotta go over this guide. So yeah, you off. But it's a tilt. It's a tilt thing now at this point. We cleared all of that. Clear, ready for takeoff.
Ooh, that was fun.
Yeah, they're not bad at all. Same procedure, but now you're gonna have to. Well, you can do the tensioner because it's on the head now. So just put it in a vise, squeeze it up, put the grenade pin in. We're good to go. Oh, okay, there you go.
I appreciate it.
Oh, that's
I
cool.
gotta do something for you.
Oh, we good. I got me a video out of it. We good. Alrighty guys, real quick, I have a typical Chrysler 300 here, 2015 model, LX 3.6 Pentastar, guys. I want to go over the cylinder head bolt tightening sequence, okay? Number one, when you're getting ready to start these bolts, make sure you go in this sequence order. However, the torquing sequence is what's utmost important, okay? So I'm going to cover over this picture right here. I need y'all to get a good look at this 9-step procedure, okay? It is crucial that you follow these 9-step procedure in order. In fact, let me go down so you can read this part. If you have to rewind this video, I suggest you do just that. I cannot repeat this word from word, okay? So I will hover my phone over this picture right here, 9-step procedure on how to tighten or torque down these cylinder head bolts, even the turning angle, okay? All of this is very important, so I suggest you follow these steps, guys. Let me slide down again. Okay, make sure y'all get a picture of that. All right, I gotta go.